Skateboarding isn't just a sport, it's an attitude, an art form and a culture that's constantly evolving. And at the heart of that culture, it's the stories, the visuals and the creativity that makes skateboarding what it is. Today we're going to show you how to take all that energy and immortalise it in print. In this video, we're not just talking about printing skate zines and art books, we're diving into the craft of it. How do you take the raw, rebellious spirit of skateboarding and make it leap off the page? From DIY inspired stapled zines to collector worthy hardback art books, we'll show you real world examples that are pushing boundaries. We understand that making print choices can be difficult, so in the comments below we've listed the print specs of the zines we've spoken about in this video. I know, super helpful, right? This is where skate culture meets expert craftsmanship. So whether you're a skater, photographer or designer, this is your ultimate guide to turning your passion into something people can feel. Ready to make your mark in print? Let's roll.
Julio Cesar Battistelli's hardback art book, The Skate Art of Yaia, is a feast for the senses, featuring a matte laminated cover with spot UV varnish and colour plan ebony end papers. The design reflects the bold and underground spirit of skateboarding. Inside, the silk paper pages chronicle Yaia's evolution as an artist, blending gritty monochrome sketches with bursts of colour. This hardback skateboard art book is a masterclass in how material and finish choices enhance storytelling. Key takeaway: pair tactile elements like spot UV and silk paper with bold design to capture the spirit of skateboarding art. Chris Emery's Perfect Bound Skate Zine, Wolftown, Good Things Begin in the Dark, blends immersive visuals with high gloss lamination to create a magazine that feels substantial and dynamic. The use of full bleed photography and high contrast layouts makes this project leap off the page. Printed on 170-gram gloss paper, it's a tactile celebration of urban subculture. Key takeaway: full bleed imagery and contrasting colour palettes create a rhythm and narrative that engage the reader. Dominic Marley's Naughty Hardback Skateboard book is a photographic journey through skate culture. With anti-scuff laminated covers and FSC certified silk paper, this project balances bold cover typography with timeless black and white photography. The full page spreads highlight the energy of skateboarding, while the thoughtful layout provides space for each shot to breathe. The page size and print choices do lend themselves to laying flat, so very little of the double page spreads are lost in the spine gutter. Key takeaway: a minimalist design paired with premium materials creates a timeless tribute to skateboarding culture. Here is the 6 Sidewalk Magazine Redux 1 and 2. These biannual perfect bound skate zines from the legendary magazine encapsulate skateboarding culture in a tactile format. Both editions feature 350-gram silk covers with matte lamination and 170-gram silk pages, allowing vivid, full-colour imagery to shine. Designed to bring online issues into physical form, these publications prove that the power of print is unmatched in creating a lasting impression. Key takeaway: repurposing digital content into a tactile publication makes it more personal and enduring. The Same Old retro-inspired series honours the DIY skate zine printing ethos of the 1980s. The design, layout and styling forms an absolute visual feast. It would be entirely possible to read this 10 times and still be discovering new graphics, icons and montage Easter eggs. There's a glorious uncoated feel inside and a muted colour palette. These stapled skate zines evoke nostalgia while capturing modern skateboarding narratives. The contributors' blend of photography, letters and artwork creates a dynamic, multi-layered experience. Key takeaway: uncoated, stock and DIY inspired design amplify authenticity in niche skate zines. This collaboration between Lost Art and Nike epitomizes raw creativity. The A4 stapled skate zine, printed in black and white on uncoated stock, resonates with the underground energy of skateboarding. The tactile simplicity underscores the rebellious spirit of the culture. There is a rawness and Carson-esque feel to the page layouts. There are dysfunctional grids, text obscuring images and low resolution photos. None of it matters. Each idiosyncratic styling decision just lends weight to the overall aesthetic. Key takeaway: black and white printing on uncoated stock emphasizes grit and authenticity. Sidewalk Mag's mini photography series, Lobster Tails, standout example of sleek zine printing, makes for a neat handheld way to showcase skateboard printing. Originally, the zine was accompanied by a stunning set of concertina, perforated postcards printed on 280-gram chroma card with a gloss front and uncoated reverse. The postcards create a tactile and interactive experience. Additionally paired with an A5 zine and a sustainable craft belly band, the project celebrates skateboarding in a playful multi-format package. Key takeaway: experimenting with formats like concertina folds and perforation adds layers of engagement to printed materials. The Do I Look Like I Care series bridges the gap between skate zines and art books. Issue 1's perfect bound skate zine format showcases dynamic photography across 150-gram silk pages, while Issue 2's case-bound format elevates it to a premium collector's piece. The consistent 250 by 200mm size offers a unique, manageable format for skate photography. The blacks are very sharp and dynamic on the silk paper. An interesting thing to note is that the image which spans the inside front cover to the first text page is half on uncoated and half on silk. This is a classic example of how the same image prints on differing paper finishes. Key takeaway: adapting a consistent format while experimenting with binding methods builds brand identity across a series.
And that's how you take the energy of skateboarding, the grit, the creativity, the soul, and turn it into something that lasts forever. At Ex Why Zed, we're not just printers, we're collaborators. We help you take bold ideas and turn them into physical artifacts that stand out in skate shops, on shelves, or in collectors' hands. With the right materials, formats, and finishes, we make sure your story doesn't just get told, it gets remembered. If there's one of our showcase projects that you like the look of, make a note of the print spec and we can quote you for a like-for-like publication. So what's next for you? Whether it's a raw black and white zine, a glossy photo showcase, or a daring multi-format project, we're here to help you push the boundaries of creativity. Let's make something that skaters and creators alike will enjoy and cherish. Start a conversation with us today on hello@xyz.com or by phone on 01206 76647 and jump on xyz.com for more ideas, insight and inspiration. Thanks for watching and we'll see you at the skate park and in print.